Amaz, I just got Exodia working with Mage for the first time. Feels good, man. Like, congratulations. Uh-oh. This might be a hard matchup. This might be a hard matchup. Double D? Oh, so bad. Oh, so bad. Oh my god, really? It's not what we want. Yeah, just do it. Huh. That happened. I guess you don't need to play the quest until you absolutely need to. That's true. I really need to draw our death rattle cards. We'll just sack this loot hoarder, get a card. That's reasonable. Alright. Hopefully you get something like a Mirage Collar, Shell Razor would be good. Stuff like that. The double Ds were pretty unlucky. What? Huh? Hey? Okay, so he's not playing the quest. Whoa. This guy's deck is weird. Whoa! This guy's deck is a little weird. Alright, well.
Mind if I roll me?
Okay, it's not our normal rogue deck over here. That is a weird one. I haven't seen this before. Mana Worm, man.
I got the best deals
Alright, I know what that card does. There we go, that's the card we're looking for. Perfect.
Tortola, preserve us!
Alright, Tortola. Pretty good. Silence is really strong right now, Amaz. My deck does not run silence. Okay, it doesn't make sense. How does it make sense if my deck runs silence, right? You get me? Doesn't make sense. Dragon Priest makes sense though. Like, if I play Dragon Priest, I might run silence. Cold Blood? Wow. That's a card. Alright, Sample makes sense in that thing. And he plays one more card. Another. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Pretty gross.
Tortola, preserve us!
Ooh. Okay. What does the 5/3 do? When you play 4 cards in a turn, it comes back and it wants to eat your face. Look at that.
The shadows beckon.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I see the combo now. Wow, that's actually pretty gross. Wow! Because it death rattles back into a 5/3. Wow! That's actually pretty good. I like that. Pedal? No pedal. Dragonfire Potion clears everything. That's actually pretty cool. I think I want a Dragonfire now.
Shells up!
Quick ordering, I get the buff.
Amazing.
I foresaw this.
Hey, Lord Dusky! Thanks for the sub. Vegan Rogue? That's so stupid, look at that. So stupid. Oh, 1, 2. The Miracle Flower? The Miracle Flower? Oh my god. He did it. What the hell? Oh, that's actually pretty OP. That's actually pretty OP, I have to say. Good thing I'm safe now. pretty OP. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
You are safe now.
Thanks, Amara. Alright, I'm safe now. Angel Thump! Oh my god, the flowers are gonna come back to life too. Oh, that's so disgusting. That's actually pretty disgusting.
Pay attention, class.
Okay.
I'm ready to learn.
2. Uh-oh. 3? What?! Are you serious? Oh my god. This is actually disgusting. I'm disgusted. Oh wow. Oh wow! Okay, that's actually pretty sick too. Man, this is so cool. Man, Hearthstone's pretty cool now, huh? That's actually pretty funny. Alright, we'll just do it, I think. It's just too good, right? The thing is, I want to do this and this too. Just 2 options. I think this is just too good.
The greatest virtue is patience.
I'm unstable.
Zap. It's pretty zap. Pretty card. Backstab. It's pretty sick.
Amazing.
But these come back. I don't want to kill these.
Don't mess with me.
Alright, that's fine. Nice. These flowers are very annoying. Oh man. Keep on coming back. I guess it is a corpse flower. Man, this is good in the right deck. He has a slush. Wrong order. Punished. And with my cleave! Whoa! What? He just got shifting shit again! Oh my god, oh my frick, are you serious? Oh god, okay. Oh my god. Alright. Nazov the holy shit. Alright, Nazov is just too good here, right? That's pretty good. Oh! I have spell damage? Oh! Thanos! Alright, well, I should actually kill one of these flowers. Actually, should I? Not really, right? But this all does, it don't make sense! This doesn't make sense to me anymore, this game. Okay, I'm just gonna kill this. Jesus Christ. Man, what the heck is happening? I'm drawing 1, 2, 3, 4 cards, so I do not fatigue myself. Oh! Alright, let's see if you're smart, little bunny. See if you are smart. Are you serious? What did he get? Oh. Alright, well that's too easy, man. That was too easy. Guys, where's my master spell now?
Quickly.
Why is it going face? It doesn't make sense. Alright, never mind. Face does not make sense. Oh, nuke the freaking board. It does deal 6. That's pretty. It's actually pretty good. This is actually a pretty good draw. Assassinate on a stick. Blade of. No, this is just better. Blade of Cthulhu. Mimic Pod. Why do I even want Mimic Pod? I'll take Assassinate on stick. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this just kills everything. I draw 4 cards. Yeah, I don't want to deal with this. Mirage Collar. Devil Star Egg. That's pretty good. Volatile Elemental. I get 1 card from his deck too. Eviscerate.
The Brotherhood shall come.
Alright, that's nice. It's a lot of damage. Sure. Alright, Corpse Flowers. What do you want? What do you want, Corpse Flowers? Dude, this is so good at activating Corpse Flowers. Wow, this is so good. It's actually so good. Oh my god!
I'm warning you. I'm unstable.
Okay. Crystal and Orco, that's pretty good. I kind of want to use Assassin on stick. So what? 1, 2, 2, 5? Wow.
I'm warning you. I'm unstable.
Okay. Wow. This turned out to be a really cool match. But I think we got this. Okay. Okay. Does that have any more cards?
Smart moves. I concede.
Man, that was a cool game, guys. That was a cool game. That was a pretty cool game. Unfortunately, Priest is just too powerful. Sorry, let me rephrase. Amaz Amara Priest.